Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate site monitoring with Pingdom easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Pingdom website. Once there, click on the sign up or login button, depending on whether you already have an account. If you are creating a new account, fill in the required information and complete the registration process. After logging in, you will be directed to the Pingdom dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and click on the Add Check button. In the pop-up menu, select the type of check you want to create, such as uptime, page speed, or transaction monitoring. For a basic uptime check, enter the URL of the website you want to monitor. Next, choose your monitoring location from the provided options to ensure global coverage. Set the check frequency according to your needs. Pingdom allows you to select intervals from 1 minute to several hours. You can also configure advanced options, such as alerts and downtime notifications. To set alerts, click on Add Notification and choose how you want to be notified, like via email or SMS. Once you have configured all options to your satisfaction, click the Create Check button to finalize the setup. After your check is created, you will see it listed on your dashboard. Now, Pingdom will automatically monitor your site based on your settings. To view your monitoring data, simply click on the check you just created on your dashboard. You can analyze response times, uptime percentage, and receive alerts in real time. If you need to adjust any settings later, return to the check and click on the Edit option. Automation of your site monitoring is that easy with Pingdom. Consider exploring additional features such as transaction monitoring or page speed checks for a comprehensive overview. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech